Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Atif Tech. So today we are going to give you a demo and tell you about an app named Google Wallpaper. Wallpapers. So make the most of your display with beautiful wallpapers and advanced features. This app is related to personalization and wallpaper. Open 1-star rating, 213k, 213k reviews, rated for 3 plus, 500 million plus downloads. Some pics. So here you can see another one, some others, and some others. Or Egypt. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security parasites may vary based on your use, region, and age. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. So there it is. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types: app activity, app info, and performance, and device for other IDs. Okay, data is encrypted in transit. You can request the data be deleted. So rating 4.1-star rating and 213k views. So these are some reviews about this app. Go back. So let's check out. And here it is, on device wallpaper, texture. So here it is, some art related to art, and there are many beautiful places of art. And here it is. And go back. And if you want some art, so here is art. Let's take a look at art. Here it is. Here it is. Art. And this is art. Designs wallpaper. So seaside solid colors. So realistic shapes. These are some shapes. So cityscapes. And here it is, some places to view. And here is, oh, such beautiful things. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful, man. Another. So here it is. Go back. So if you want to see life, so here is life. And ready to life on earth. So roses. Oh my god. So nice, man. And here it is. So I own rice Oliver. So this app is so good, and if you want to search for it and what's new, read it, UI improvement and bug fixes. So these are some updates about the app and some other informations. More info, rated for 3 plus, app info version 10 slash 6793674, updated on 26 August 2020. 50 million plus downloads. Android 10 and up. Google LLC. Released on 19 October 2016. App permissions. So there. Telephone, storage, and others. Nice. So go back. So this app is so good, and you can also take some and other types of related photography and some other things you need. So just take another look about this app. It also helps you to take some other pictures. And here is textures. So take a look at it. Oh my gosh, this is so nice, man. And let's take a look at these all the wallpapers are HD and have another type of look. So go back and landscape, life, or cityscape art, and these are some solid colors. So these are some colors that you can use, and this is black. And so seascapes, let's take a look at this. This is the seascapes. So another type of look about the sea, and you can also explore it. Oh yeah, it's explore. Take a look at this. Yeah, it's explore. Ocean safari, Great Barrier Reef. So hover, and geometrical shapes, art, life, and textures. So this app is so good, and my experience with this app is so nice. Download this app, and I show you to download this app. So for more technical videos, subscribe to our channel Atif Tech. Goodbye.